Hi guys, in today's episode my friend Sabrina is at it again. Today she's going to be sharing with us her beef chili recipe. To your ground meat, add in green seasoning, 1 pack of season up or all-purpose seasoning mix. We're using the Maggi brand, you can add any one you have, and you're going to mix to combine. Next, to a pot on medium heat, we're going to go in with some garlic infused coconut oil from CGA Limited. You're going to add in some onions once the oil is hot and allow that to saute until it's light brown. Next, go in with the minced garlic and saute until the garlic is also light brown. The reason why we don't put the garlic and the onion together is because the garlic will get brown before the onion does, and by the time the onion gets brown the garlic would burn. Next, add in that seasoned minced meat and mix, and you're going to cook this or brown the meat. Once the meat is brown, we're going to add in the rest of ingredients. We have corn, red beans, chana or garbanzo beans or chickpea, black beans, add in the cooked meat, ketchup, some chopped tomatoes. Next, we're going with some chili powder, cumin seeds or cumin powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, coriander powder, salt to taste, honey, lentils, and vegetable stock. Now she has all of this in her slow cooker, so all you have to do now is mix to combine. Once everything is mixed in, you're going to set your slow cooker to the instructions that I've left down below in the description box. And then your chili is ready to be served. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Please leave your comments down below for Sabrina. Thank you, Sabrina, for doing another beef recipe for us. You can use any type of mincemeat for this recipe. Please remember to like and share this video, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!